Nike keeps innovating with seasonal inspirations, and the Nike Air Max 90 Peony is a perfect example. This release offers a subtle nod to Valentine's Day without relying on obvious holiday themes. The design features a layered mix of pink and red tones, combining suede, leather, and mesh for a balanced and stylish look. A deep red mudguard adds contrast to the softer pink panels, while white mesh on the toe box and midfoot keeps the design fresh and breathable. Crisp white laces and a matching midsole create visual balance, and small orange red details on the Air Max heel, tongue, and visible air unit add a lively accent. The black rubber outsole reinforces durability and everyday wearability. Although not officially tied to Valentine's Day, the Peony colorway offers a seasonal vibe that works beyond February. Fans can expect this model to release on Nike.com ahead of summer 2026, making it a must-watch addition to any sneaker collection.